Hey everyone, welcome to IntelliFi. This is Akanksha Vyas. Today we will be discussing NCERT solution for class 10th mathematics, exercise 3.5, topic linear equation in two variables. So the first question of exercise 3.5 is, which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solution? And in case there is a unique solution, find it by cross multiplication method. So in this question, we have two equations, that is x minus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equals to 0. These are the conditions that we have already done in exercise 3.2 or 3.1. How to find out that you have unique solution, or you have infinitely many solution, or you have no solution at all. Okay. So for that, we used to take proportions of the same variable. Okay, same variable's coefficient. So proportion of x is a1 upon a2, which is 1 by 3. Coefficient of a1 is 1 and coefficient of a2 x2 is 3. Coefficient of y1 is minus 3. Coefficient of y2 is minus 9. So b1 upon b2 would come out to be minus 3. So a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. So it does not have unique solution, so it must have infinite many solution or parallel solution. For that, we need to check up upon the c1 upon c2 proportion also. So c1 upon c2 would come out to be 3 by 2, because c1 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 2. So minus minus would get cancelled. So this would be a c1 upon c2. So here we can see that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2. But these two are not equal to c1 upon c2, which suggests that it is a parallel line, so it has no solution. So we don't need to perform any method now. Now moving on to the second part, which is 2x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. We will find out the conditions first, which is a1 upon a2, proportion of x and proportion of y, which is b1 upon b2. So proportion of x, a1 is equals to coefficient of x1 to a2 is equals to coefficient of x2, which is 3. a1 upon a2 is 2 by 3. b1 upon b2, coefficient of y1 is 1, coefficient of y2 is 2. So 2 by 3 is not equals to 1 by 2, so it has a unique solution. Now we will be using cross multiplication method. For cross multiplication method, just write x over here, y over here and 1 over here. Let b1 upon b2 slightly left to x. Similarly, c1 upon c2 slightly left to y. a1 upon a2 slightly left to 1. And b1 upon b2 again slightly right to 1. So this would be your numerical part, and this would be your denominator part. I will explain you how. So this is the values of all the variable that we write there, all the coefficient that we write there. So this would get multiplied by this first. The upper part would multiplied by the opposite cross part, and similarly this part would get multiplied by this, but there would be a minus sign when you will multiply the part that is below this. Okay. Similarly, minus 5 would get multiplied by 3, put a minus sign, then minus 8 would get multiplied by 2. Similarly, 1 is your numerator, 2 would get multiplied by 2, put a minus sign, 3 would get multiplied by 1. So this is x by value, this is y by value, and this is your normal value. Just you have this as your absolute value and this as your variable value, and they are equal. They all are equal. So when you will multiply this fraction, you will get an answer. You will equate this answer with this absolute value, because you have one variable and other things are constant, so you can derive its value. So you will have x value as 2. Similarly, now equate y by this absolute value, y equation by this absolute value. So your y's value would come out to be 1. So hence x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Now we will do the other parts of the same question in the next video. Thank you.